didn't work out in my favor. They maxed him out.
Maxed him out.
They maxed him out.
They give him
20.
20.
Yeah.
Well, keep fighting the good fight.
Thank you.
You know, that's the name of the
Cost that I
game.
suffered in trial. So
It's happened to us all.
yeah.
I thought I was going to get probation once, and they smacked 25. I was like, so.
Luckily, he's had some credit, so he only has about 8 years left.
Alright folks, here we go. First up, we've got a defendant walking in with Gucci on probation. Yeah, you heard that right. When you're fighting for freedom, maybe don't flex in designer, especially in front of a judge who's seen it all.
Okay. So, Mr. Butt, come up. You have all these problems with money, all these issues with money, and yet you come in a Gucci jacket. Really? Really?
That's the moment right there, when a judge calls your outfit foolishness, the tone of the hearing just changed. Notice how quickly this moves from casual to confrontational. In court, optics are everything. You might think it's fashion, the judge sees it as defiance.
What kind of foolishness is this, Mr. Segumbada? This is, I choose to spend my money where I want to spend it, and I'm not going to spend it on an interlock. That's what that
I didn't even know
foolishness is.
I had that. This is how it's done.
Everything you tell me goes in one ear, goes out the other ear. Perception is reality, Segumbada. Okay? Anything less? No, it's disingenuous. And basically just, that's all it is. Disingenuity. So the deal is this, is that you have a very great program where you have the opportunity to get this thing dismissed, and you continue to play games. Is your device in lockout now?
It's my device.
It's a yes or it's a no?
It's been locked out since last week because it cut down my battery.
No. It's lockout because of one reason, and that's because of money. That's the only reason that what we know of it's in lockout. We called, we checked before you even got here. So we know you're $800 in arrears, and that's why you're in lockout. The only way for you to do it is to get back into good graces with them with either a payment plan or you pay it in full. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm not gonna play this game anymore.
Sorry, sir. I wasn't locked out because of payments. I had a payment plan with them for $120 every month.
Probation fees are
Yeah, it was just my probation fee.
The device.
Yeah, I don't have a problem with them with payments.
So is he in lockout now or is he not in
He's in
lockout?
lockout
Service.
with the device.
Yeah, I did my service every
They're
month.
not gonna lock out the device because of probation fees.
No.
It looks like he was blowing low on the device. Or no?
Oh.
No, I was.
Going with the device now.
No, the device was messing up with my battery. So it always messed up my battery. So once my battery cut off, it locked me out. So I have to call them. So this is one thing I've been dealing with it. So I always make sure.
Give you until next week to get the device back in operational status. And if you fail to get it done, you are out of the program. Do you understand? You are lucky that Bioji is nice enough to stay on the case and not withdraw as it is with the games that you're playing with him and now with me. He may take it, but I'm not going to. If you continue to fail to have it, I'm just gonna revoke your bond, put you in jail, and give you a 10-day trial set.
Boom, that's a judicial mic drop. Judges don't usually throw shade, but when they do, it's calculated. She's giving him one last chance. Fix your device or go straight to jail. No more excuses. This is that tough love moment where empathy ends and accountability begins.
That's what's gonna happen with your Gucci self. Do you understand?
I understand, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
So, today's the 1st. He has until the 8th to get the device in.
Just to be clear, is it that if he pays the back fees that he can be released from the program? Is that what's keeping
No.
him?
So what happens is if he gets the device back in from lockout. They want to extend it for 3 months to ensure that he is good because he's been in lockout for all that time.
Okay, so he needs to have a good 3 months of no issues.
If you get it operational within the week, we will extend you for 3 months. But I'm going to put you on notice now. If it ever goes into lockout again, you are out of the program immediately, and I don't care what your excuse is.
I need to understand that this device is messing on my battery.
I'm giving you a week.
They always lock me out. So I always call them or send them email. I'll make sure I always do my service calibration.
Where did you go get the device?
Someone in Georgia.
And you need to go back to where you got the device to have it either fixed or exchange it for a different one. Or you get a different car to put it on. Because something is happening that is creating it to go in lockout. If it's not the money, then it's something else. To me, I don't care about excuses.
Probably just get a different car. I'll move it from
Whatever you need to do.
Is it possible to go from car to, if it's the issue with it running out the battery, to on person?
No.
Okay.
Because they want to make sure that it's in a car so that if he's driving, he doesn't have alcohol on board. That's the spirit of the program is that you're not consuming alcohol while you're driving. That's it. I will give you a week.
Get a different car, sir.
You need to do whatever you need to do. If you fail to get it done in a week, you must be back here on the 8th, and then we will set your case for trial. If you get it done, then we will extend you for 3 months, but you are on notice now that if it ever goes into lockout again, you will immediately be set for trial, and I don't care what your excuse is.
I'll get a different car.
Understand?
I promise. Sir.
So don't wait until Thursday to go try to make everything work. Monday morning, I would immediately go to where you got it to do whatever you need to do to get it fixed. You understand?
I'm gonna get a different car and put it.
Whatever you do doesn't matter to me, Mr. Bada. It doesn't matter. Just do what you need to do to get it working. And then what we'll do is we will roll this case to Friday, come back. We need proof that he's actually got it done and that it's operational. We're not gonna take your word for it. You have to give us proof that it's done. Then we get a 3-month extension and we'll go from there.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you for being so humble in allowing and staying on the case for me.
Absolutely.
Thank you, sir.
He's my brother, same country.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
So Friday, can you go ahead and fax me the receipt? Friday, you have to do it Friday.
How does she even have it?
No, because she said she's feeling sick. I just gave it to her just in case. She had it just in case it was.
Why are you here?
You said because of my ankle monitor?
You're not charging it. Battery's dead. Is the battery still dead?
It has evaporated.
Is it operational or not?
Yes, sir.
I asked you to do one thing. What did I ask you to do? If I drug test you now, what's going to show up? That doesn't mean anything in our line of business.
This part gets heavy. The judge is breaking down the brutal truth: addiction doesn't pause for pregnancy. It's raw, uncomfortable, and necessary. This isn't just about legal consequences anymore, it's about life consequences, for both the mother and the unborn child.
Pregnancy in the line of work that we have doesn't mean anything. I have people here that are still using when they're pregnant and they have no clue what they're doing to their body, what kind of disaster they're creating to a human life, and what kind of lifelong babysitting they're going to have to do, because if you don't treat the baby well while the baby is in your tummy, it's like a little flower, right? Flowers need sunlight, they need food, they need water, and if a flower gets that, they grow into a beautiful flower, right? Same things with a baby. If it doesn't get the love, if it doesn't get the food, the nurturing, the prenatal vitamins, it's not going to grow into the beautiful flower that it normally would. I want to send her for a drug test right now. And then we'll have her come right back. If you fail to go take a drug test, if you fail to come back, it's not going to go well. You understand, Miss Brown? Okay, take a seat for a minute. Michael, do you have an offer on this case, on Miss Brown's
This
case?
is Miss Brown, Judge. Let me check.
I mean, it's 500 days old. It's so old that it's grown hair and it's sprouting legs.
This is Lindia Brown.
Yes.
Our offer was time served on the ABI dismissed the criminal mischief. It looks like we had a plea filed on the 23rd of September, but I don't know if it went through.
Judge, I thought Abel would have voted.
I called him.
Oh.